Welcome back. Well, buoyed by an increase of the number of seats in the Lok Sabha elections, the Congress party is now busy preparing for the upcoming assembly elections. Times Now has accessed the Congress party's communication department's mega plan for the assembly polls that are coming up, with the party deciding to keep the focus on saving the constitution as the key issue in all the states. The party's communication department had held a meeting recently in which the general secretaries in charge of different poll-bound states as well as the communication heads of the state units had participated. The party has also prepared a state-specific list of issues and instructions that have been issued to the state teams to focus on them for their respective states. Now, the social media department of the party has been tasked with collecting the data on key issues. Let's now break it down for you, look at the issues that the party is going to raise in the different states. The details are on your screens as well. In Maharashtra in particular, which is going into polls, the issues that will be raised by the Congress party include the constitution as well as a threat to reservation, something that the Congress party has also raised in the Lok Sabha elections. The farmer suicides are also going to be spoken of, as well as the paper leak and the rising unemployment. Similarly, in Haryana as well, the issue that will be raised is going to be constitution, a threat to the constitution that the Congress party has been saying time and again. Agniveer scheme that Rahul Gandhi had spoken of in the parliament as well. Remember, it was an issue that also resonated with many during the Lok Sabha elections. The wrestlers' protest as well as the farmers' protest is also going to be brought up in the campaigns in Haryana. Now, in Jharkhand, the issues are going to be slightly different. It's going to be on constitution as well as security for tribals. Apart from that, water, forest, land issue as well as misuse of the Enforcement Directorate and CBI as well over Hemant Soren being arrested. That's going to be raised by Rahul Gandhi as well as the other Congress leaders. Similarly, in Jammu and Kashmir as well, there is a plan that has been put in place. Earlier, remember, the Congress party had been raising the issue of 370. Now it's going to be on terror attacks, unemployment, as well as bringing the schemes to power. My colleague Sabyasachi joining us with the details. Sabyasachi, take us through the Congress party's plan.
After the Lok Sabha poll result, the Congress wants to keep the motto high of the party, and that is the reason why they held a meeting with all the general secretaries of the states where the assembly polls is going to take place. See, along with the general secretaries, the communication in charge of these specific states were also present. Now it was decided in that meeting regarding the Save the Constitution, which has been the main attack from the opposition party towards the center, will be there. Apart from that, key state-specific issues, like if you talk about the Maharashtra, where issues of farmer suicide will be raised, as well as the NEET issue. Now, if you talk about Jammu and Kashmir, regarding that, the recent attack, how attacks have been carried out at army personnel, as well as regarding the Agniveer scheme, these specific issues would be raised in Jammu and Kashmir and in other states as well. Now, the Congress has clearly stated that all the state head of the Congress party need to focus on their state-specific agendas. Now, they have also told them that before the Lok Sabha polls, the state unit has to specifically identify the state issues, and on that they have to time and again hold different campaigns so that the people is aware of this issue. Now, this has been a major campaign boost of the Congress party ahead of the assembly polls in different states. Now, the Congress party high command feels that after the Lok Sabha result, which the Congress party feels have given them a lot of success, they want to go in the same direction, where they want to attack the central government over the Save Constitution issue. Time and again, we had seen the different Congress leaders have been carrying a copy of the Constitution in their hand, either in the Parliament or while taking oath. Now, simultaneously, along with this particular issue, other state-related issues will also be raised in the upcoming assembly polls by the Congress party.
Okay, all right. Sabyasachi, thank you for joining us with those details, a detailed plan of the Congress party being put in place ahead of the assembly elections. We'll keep you updated with that. For now, a very quick break. We'll be right back. Stay with us.